So I'm standing here in front of our newest renovation space. This space used to be a living room, dining room combination, and then the previous owners put up this back wall behind me to separate it into two spaces. In the back half, they created it into a fourth bedroom, and in the front half, it was an office space for them. So you can see these old screw holes where they used to have shelving in the office to my left, and then to my right as well, and then they had a very large desk here. For us, we're using that back room as our office den space, so we really don't need this additional room here. What we're really in need of is some storage space, so that's what we've envisioned for this additional space. What we plan to do is turn this front bit into a hall closet, putting up an old door here. Then we're going to do the space behind it, blow through this wall, open up a new door into the back den, and then create a space for a closet here. Then with the additional space over here, we're going to create a main floor laundry room. We're hoping to get in a dog wash station, a washer and dryer, and maybe even a drying rack system.
So as I've mentioned before, blueprints are an essential step to any home renovation project. So you can see up above is how the space currently is, and down below is what we envision for this space. So here you can see will be the new hall closet, and then behind that will be the closet for the den or office, and then the larger area is dedicated to the laundry room. So we'll put in the dog wash station here, washer and dryer up above. We even are putting in a new window to add more light to the space.
So that's really going to be more convenient for us because right now our laundry room is up on the second floor in the primary bedroom in the walk-in closet. So that means I'm walking up and down the stairs all day to switch over the laundry, or I'm spending the whole day in that bedroom. So that's really not as convenient. So this will really change things for us. As well as you'll see in a moment, we're really in need of some storage space, ones that we can sort of close up and hide from our guests.
So here it is, the front entranceway. You can see to the left we have jackets, snow pants, boots, and purses, and to the right we have a plastic storage system storing all of our things. So I mean, it works, but it's just not the nicest to look at. And then as we turn around and see what we're looking at when we enter the home, there's boxes of boots over to the left, bins and baskets holding our winter gear, as well as our dog equipment. So if we could get that all tucked away into this space here in a front hall closet, that would be much neater, much tidier, and I know I would be much happier. So we have a great plan in place. Let's figure out the cost for this project. So for the building permit, that's going to be $280. For framing, drywall, and plumbing materials, we're budgeting $500. For masonry work, for the brickwork to allow for the new opening of the window, $1,000. For the window and the installation, that's going to be $1,500. For the doors and trim, we're actually salvaging those, so that's $0. For the dog wash station, we're thinking that's going to be $1,500. And then we're also accounting for miscellaneous items, budgeting $300 there. So the grand total of all of this is $5,080. Now remember, we're also not accounting for labor costs, design costs, or general contracting because we're taking those all on ourselves. So if you aren't taking those roles on yourself, make sure to budget those in as well.
If you're interested in this renovation, stay tuned. We're going to be posting updates as we make changes to the space, and we hope to see you there. Bye.